Here, I haven't been able to really work on it, and I noticed it was kind of misfiring a lot at idle, which it's never done before. I am holding the throttle steady right now, so I didn't take gasket kit come this week, but this is, well, I don't know what's going on with this thing. Whatever it is, it's ridiculous, so we'll see.